Good morning, class 4. I'm Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 5, that is food and digestion. In the previous lecture of this chapter, we had discussed that all the living beings need to live, stay healthy, and to grow, or you can say to perform our daily activities. So food gives us energy and helps our body in the development and growth. Actually, food contains some special type of substances called nutrients, and there are mainly six type of nutrients: carbohydrate, proteins, fat, minerals and vitamins, roughage, and water. So these are the major components of a food which we discussed already, or major nutrients present in food which we discussed already. Now today we'll discuss one by one. So first of all, we will discuss about carbohydrates and proteins. So we all know that we get carbohydrates from fruits, vegetables, cereals, that is rice, wheat, bajra, rice, wheat, bajra, and etc. Chocolates are there and sweets are there. So these are the sources of carbohydrate. We get carbohydrate from these sources. So carbohydrate gives us energy to perform our daily activities. And carbohydrate stored in our body, means if you eat carbohydrate and if excess amount of carbohydrate will reach in our body, then our body store that carbohydrate. And those persons who are working very hard, they need excess amount of carbohydrate because they need energy. But those persons who are not doing a lot of physical works, if they eat a lot of carbohydrate, then this excess amount of carbohydrate is stored in their body and it may cause obesity. And excess amount of carbohydrate stored in your body, so it may cause obesity. So be careful before eating a lot of food. So rice and wheat and potato, these are the rich source of carbohydrate. And we get carbohydrate in two forms: sugar and starch. Sugar and starch. So class, very careful before eating a lot of rice and a lot of potato and a lot of wheat, because excess amount of carbohydrate is not going to help you. So eat healthy food, or eat only that much food which is needed for you. The next question is, the next topic is proteins. So as carbohydrate gives us energy to perform our daily activity, protein is a bodybuilding food. It helps us to develop new cells in our body and to help in the repair of the damaged cells and tissues in our body. So ultimately protein helps in the growth. So the little children who are growing very fast, they need a food which is rich in protein, which is rich in protein. So now we have to know the sources of protein. The soybean is the best source of plant protein. Next comes the pulses, eat a lot of dal every day. Then comes the peas, beans, cheese, fish, meat, milk. These all are the sources of protein. And as protein help us in the growth of our body, so it is called body building food, or the foods which are rich in protein are called body building food. So class, I hope you all are able to understand this lecture well. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.